Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to be doing a live trade session, talking you guys through my reasons for wanting to take trade from this zone. And yeah, this is a part three of my daily analysis video playlist. And so yeah, let's go on a higher time frame so we can see the context we are in. Are we in a bullish market? Are we in a consolidating market? And the answer is we are bullish on GBP USD on a daily time frame, and it doesn't really show the demand zone I marked out. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Alright, this is a more clear example. Alright, so price tapped into the OB, although the OB is pretty big. My demand zone is 46 pips B, and yeah, it hasn't really gone deeper, but it has given me a setup I'm willing to take a trade on. This can still go much deeper, but I don't really care about that because my rules are being met for taking this trade, so I'll take it regardless. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so price came down, tapped into this other block, big ass order block, tapped into the order block, and doing the London Open, London Open, that's when price shoots up. Break of structure, breaks this candle. Let me zoom in for you guys to see clearly. All right, I said something about three candle formations in the previous video. You see this candle and this candle closing, not really closing, but going down, meaning in the lower time frame, price action went down, taking out these lows. Then you see that impulsiveness of the market coming back to it, giving me that confirmation in a sense that price might mark up soon. So yeah, I took out this other block to trade from, also including this week. Took out this other block to trade from, also including this week. And I could easily place my stops here, but I understand that absorptions can happen and price can actually go lower without actually breaking this low, which is holding price upwards. This is a protected low. So I'm going to keep my stop just for more safety. I don't want to be entering too many trades on re-entry. So I choose this entire zone. 13.8 pip stop loss. And yeah, there are no news coming out today, so I'm just going to place my trade and go on with my day. As the trade progresses, we will make more videos and clip them together, and eventually I'll post them. So yeah, let's go over it one more time. This demand, break of structure, you see price, impulsive break to the upside, price goes up, retraces back, fills up this imbalance, goes up a bit, retraces back, comes to fill more than 50% of this imbalance. comes to feel more than 50% of his imbalance. And let's use the FIP, 50% FIP. Yeah, that's filled more than 50% of the imbalance. Even more confluence that we might start seeing price marking up. You see this swing point, structural point, and we see another swing structural point with a high and low, and a very clean break of structure. Okay, let's make this straight. Let's delete this. Sorry about that. Clean break of structure. And some people might say, price is reacting off this order block, this bearish order block. Forgetting that price is bullish, and the most important liquidity points you should be thinking about is this high right here. That should be the most important. Not thinking about the order block here or order block here, because you're in a bullish market. If you're in a bullish market, why are you fucking trading the opposite direction? Pro trend is the easiest way to find profitability or find an edge in the market. So I'm not with that counter trend bullshit. I like trading the trend because that's the easiest way I get profitability. When I try to overdo or counter trade too much, I get fucked. So no, I pretty much use years, 2 years of me trading smart money concepts. I've been using years to like formulate my trading plan. I've been journaling for years, discovering what setups work for me, what type of trading do I lose more frequent, or what type of setups do I lose more frequent than the other. And I pretty much built up my trading plan, and I scrapped some things out that I wasn't needing. So yeah, I will set my alert at the zone so we can alert my phone when price has triggered my entry. 1.26188. Alright. 1.26. Yeah, you guys should stay tuned. I'll be making videos as price is moving. 126,188. No need for the alert. Price has triggered my entry. No need for the alert at all. Alright. So yeah, I'm in drawdown right now. Is when this bitch ass alert is going off. Okay, I have a couple of things to do. It's 8 a.m. So I have to do other stuff. I'll come back to price later on. Welcome back, guys. And the trade eventually ran to a loss. 0.5% of my account, which is my risk parameters. So I lost 0.5% of my account. And yeah, so price did retrace to the deeper areas of the demand zone that I spoke about earlier in this video. And it's reacted fairly off this zone. And I'll go on the lower time frames to look for more breaks to the upside to take trades to the top to run out this liquidity, to take liquidity here, and overall the liquidity at this top side, because clearly on a higher time frame, GU is very bullish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on a lower time frame to look for areas that are clear to me. Okay, so if you look at my charts, you can notice something like the variations in time between the trades I take. Sorry about that. Let's get this brush tool off. So like the variation in time between the trades I take, we see this trade was taken, like we see the variation in time between these two trades. This trade was taken on Friday, May 2023, and it was taken last week. And today I took a trade on Tuesday, May 23. You see, as I'm not trying to force the trade or force trades every day, I know exactly when my age favors me more, and I stick to the pattern I trade. And you notice how all my trades are according to the trend. Like I'm buying because GBP USD is bullish. I'm not trying to do some extra shit like counter trading. I'm buying according to trend. I'm currently up 6.6% of my account right from February when I started trading the account. These two losses adding up to be a 1.5% loss of account. Imagine you're losing 1.5% of 10k. That is reasonable. That's why I preach risk management to newbies and people I teach. Okay, so without talking too much, market is moving. Let's go to 5 minutes. I also have my eyes on AUD USD. Same thing occurring. Price reacting off a demand zone, which I'll go to that in a second. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And I'm going to take just one trade, then I'm done for today. So I have to find a very good position to position myself in the trade and make sure. So yeah, this looks good enough. This other block. So I'm going to go ahead and place my entry at this point. It's very tight stop, 4.3 stop loss. I'll increase it a bit because of spreads. Let's take this up. The market is moving. It's moving without me, but I'm not going to chase. I normally aim for 3RR, but the way I do it, I take partials at TP. I take off 80% of the position and I let the rest run to whenever price wants to start retracing, because I'm going to draw my stop loss too. I think 1 minute is too much. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Guys, price is moving without me, and I didn't know why I didn't take out this zone because he reacted nicely off it and reacted with a lot of volume. So I've seen something right here. Let's zoom in and analyze these candlesticks. Alright, so we see this liquidity graph that takes out the liquidity here with this week, and we see the first break to the top side this week going above this candle, and we see a retracement back to it, and another bullish move to the top side. This zone is also unmitigated. This point has also been unmitigated, but I'm still going to trade off this other block on a lower time frame. And left out an imbalance here, FBG. So yeah, left out an imbalance here, and I'll wait for retracement back to fill that imbalance and tap me in, see price move upwards. So that will be my final trade for today. I think I'll have to ignore the trade on AUD USD because I have a rule that if I have up to two losses in a day, I close for that day. So pretty much I'm going to stick to it, and I don't want to do any fancy thing more than what I'm doing. But AUD USD also looks very good for entries. Looks very good for entries. You see liquidity here taken out, and also that liquidity grab viewing from this week's on a break to the top side, which you can now use the zone for price to retrace back into and take your trades from it. I personally want to trade this setup. Why? Because I'm already interested in GU and I've already hit one loss today, and I'm trying to keep it at a maximum daily loss of two. That's one of the things that have helped me psychologically, and it's part of my trading plan. I developed it across my years of studies, and it's something that resonates better with me because if I take more than three losses or up to three losses in a day, it fucks up my psychology. So yeah, I'll post more videos as price progresses.